वुहान शहर से निकले कोरोना वायरस से अब दुनिया त्राही त्राही कर रही है। हर देश अपने स्तर पर इससे बचने के उपाय ढूंढ रहा है। वहीं कुछ देशों को तो इस वायरस ने कुछ इस तरह से चपेट में लिया है कि वहां मौतों का आंकड़ा दिन ब दिन बढ़ता ही जा रहा है। जैसे अमेरिका और इटली, जहां करीब 79,000 लोगों की मौत हो चुकी है, वहीं करीब 13 लाख लोग इस वायरस की चपेट में आ चुके हैं। ऐसे में भारतीय राजदूत तरनजीत सिंह का बयान सामने आया है, जिसमें उन्होंने कहा है कि अमेरिका में अभी भी करीब 25,000 लोग ऐसे हैं जो भारत आने के इच्छुक हैं और उन्होंने रजिस्ट्रेशन भी कराया है। उन्हें भारत लाने के इंतजामात किए जा रहे हैं।
7 flights from the United States, around 2,000 Indian citizens are going back home. Apart from the flights that are going out from DC, New York, Chicago and San Francisco, are there any other cities in the United States that the mission is looking into that could also be considered to evacuate citizens from those cities in the United States?
Let me give you a bit of a background here. We have gone in a very scientific way. We put out requests. We asked all the Indians who are here to fill out online forms so that we can get a data, and on the basis of from where people are from India, where they wanted to go, that's the analysis which we did, and finally that's how the stations have been picked up in India where the flights are going. So we have a total of 25,000 people who have registered. In the first week, we are going to take 7 flights, and this will be a continuous work in progress, depending upon how the requirements come, where the people wish to go in India, and what the local situation is allowing. That is both medically as well as connections. And on that basis, we will continue further after the first week.
All right. If we talk about the citizens who are stranded here, what has been the protocol in terms of the health issues that will be taken care of, whether it's the airport or whether it's the flight back to India, including the Air India staff and the crew?
Air India has taken all the necessary precautions, and there is a very clear Ministry of Home Affairs directive on that, on the travel, that will be implemented. But before the passengers board the flight, their checkup will be done, and it will be ensured that people who are asymptomatic, they get on the flight.
इसके अलावा संधू ने यह भी बताया कि भारत और अमेरिका साथ मिलकर कैसे कोविड-19 से लड़ाई को सफल बनाने पर जोर दिए हुए हैं। अमेरिका और भारत साथ में कोविड-19 के खिलाफ 3 तरह के वैक्सीन तैयार कर रहे हैं।
How is the United States helping India medically if you talk about handling COVID-19 and the pandemic?
The United States government has been cooperative with us. We are in close touch with them. Whatever permissions, etc. were needed and whatever facilities we required, they have provided. You have touched a very interesting point. That is about the cooperation between India and United States on the medical side. Now, this has been forthcoming. It is much deeper than what people know about. In fact, both ICMR and here CDC and NIH have been collaborating for a number of years. And in fact, about 2 or 3 years back, we together developed a vaccine for another virus. It's called rotavirus. It has helped not only in India, in United States, many other countries. So this time around too, there is close cooperation, exchange of information, plus, as I said, collaboration. There are at least 3 vaccines on which Indian companies and the United States companies are working together. Besides that, we are an important part of the supply chain. And this particular crisis has certainly shown to United States, if not the world over, that India is a reliable partner. Whatever assistance they required in terms of the supply chain, India has been able to fulfill that. And this has been acknowledged by the highest level in the US government, but also at the people level.
संधू ने अपने बयान में साफ कहा है कि अमेरिका के लिए इस वक्त भारत से ज्यादा भरोसेमंद कोई भी साथी नहीं है, इसलिए वो भारत के साथ मिलकर ही काम कर रहा है।